So here is the topic of respirations, 呼吸作用. All living things need energy for vigorous body activity. And how can we get that energy to support our activity? So here is what we eat. Energy comes from food. So we flew out eating a lot of food to get the energy. And how can we get the energy from the food? And what energy stored inside the food? So we have lab sessions to get some evidence of the how much energy stored inside the food. And most basically is the food stores chemical energy, 一啲化學能啦，儲存咗一啲。And when it's burning, the chemical energy stored inside the food will convert it to the thermal energy and light energy. Thermal energy is something like heat, 熱能啦, and light energy, because when it is burning, there is a fire and the temperature will rise and there is a light. So thermal energy and light energy. So when we talk about respiration, because respiration is similar to burning, but it is much more slow process because the energy stored inside the food released very slowly throughout the respiration. And here is the diagram to show how it's happened. And when we breathe in oxygens and we eat the food like glucose, the food is broken down into different products. The first one is carbon dioxide. So we breathe in oxygens. After we do the respiration, the oxygens, certain percentage of oxygen is converted to carbon dioxide. So we breathe out the gases containing much more carbon dioxide. The second one is water. And the last one is energy. And this energy is to support our activity after the respirations. So remember the word equations. Simply like here, glucose plus oxygens. Glucose is from the food and during the respiration process. And this arrow is mean the chemical reactions. So it produces carbon dioxide plus the water. So this is the process of respirations.